everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies and technical analysis of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. So before starting this video, I request you to please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates about cryptocurrencies. Let's see the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. What is the change in the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies? You are watching now the Zilliqa cryptocurrency live price prediction of last 1 hour of 24 March 2021. The change of the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies is here, positive 1.49% is the change in the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies, and the high change is $0.169517 is the high change of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies at this last hour of Zilliqa price prediction. So that is the live price prediction of last hour. Let's see the technical analysis and chart of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. At this time they are move upward, as you can see here. That is the buying time of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. I said that is the buying time of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. What's your opinion about Zilliqa cryptocurrencies? Is it right time to buy Zilliqa cryptocurrencies? Comment your opinion in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest news of cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much.